to represent two linear equations together, that is a pair of linear equation in two variables. Let's take the question from NCERT book exercise 3.1, question number 2nd, where it is saying that coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls. So let's formulate our linear equation for this statement. So let the price of a bat be x and the price of a ball is y. When we go by the statement, it is stating that 3 bats and 6 balls for 3900 rupees. As it is given 3 bats, I am denoting bats with the x. Then for the ball, we have 6 balls, then 6y. As price of a ball we considered here is y, then 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. As together in this statement 3 bats and 6 balls for 3900, so 3x and 6 balls for 3900. And in another statement, it is also saying that bat, that means another bat, and 3 more balls. That means there is no number, so I will take only x here, plus 3 more balls. For balls we have y, the variable, are for the how much money? 1300 rupees. So what will be our algebraic representation here? 3x plus 6y, 3900 is our first linear equation, and the x plus 3y is equal to 1300 is our second linear equation. How we will represent them graphically? For the graphical representation, we have to find 2 points on the line representing each equation. That means we have to find 2 solutions of each equation. For example, as I have earlier explained in the very basic of it, we found 2 solutions here for this linear equation. To draw this line on the graph, this line, to draw this blue line on the graph. Same here, we have to find out 2 solutions for each equation, for this equation and for this one as well. So we can draw the line on the graph easily. So let's see what are these solutions. For the first equation, 3x plus 6y is equal to 3900. So when y is equal to 0, we have 3x plus 0 is equal to 3900, and the answer will result in x is equal to 3900 by 3. That means it will be simply 1300. But when x is equal to 0, that means 3x plus 6y, putting the value of x, we get 6y 3900, as 3x will be 0, so I am not writing it, which implies y will be 3900 by 6, simply it will be 650. So the 2 solutions are, at first we had the value of y 0, then we had x as 1300, and when we had x 0, then y is 650. So these are the 2 solutions to represent the line on the graph. Let's move on for the second linear equation. Second linear equation, when y is equal to 100, we have, and the x will be 1000. When x is 100, then 1300 minus 100, and then it will be 1200 by 3, simply results in 400. So the table is When y is 100, then x is 1000. When x is 100, then y is 400. You must have been thinking that why I took y is equal to 100 and x is equal to 100 when in the very beginning I took the basic y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. Why this time I took y is equal to 100 or x is equal to 100? Because I tried many values like 0, 10, 50, but they result in not being the solution and some like difficult to represent on the graph. So 100 is sort of easy because it gives the values like 1000. You can easily represent 1000 on a graph or a 400. So it needs practice only. So it will give him the idea that if I am having 20 behind, so I can take maybe 100 can work. It's all about practice. To make it easy, I just simply took y is equal to 100 and x is equal to 100. So we got two tables here, one for this second equation and one for the first equation. Let's see how we will represent it on the graph.